Alright, stupid vast video. Here we are on my 2007 klx250S. I'm going to show you how to change the headlight. First off, I've already removed all the bolts just to show you. On this front shroud, you got a bolt down there, bolt or screw down there, same on the other side. You can clearly see mounting there. Take those off, take that off. Your headlight, you got a bolt in there and a bolt in there, 10 mil. Take those out. That folds down. Pull your plug off. Pull this rubber boot off. It's indicated which side goes up. You got this little tab. Push this down. Pull it out of its slot. Then you fold that out of the way. It's best that you keep that in there, but that's how it goes if you gotta put it back in there. Then it's a H4 bulb, and I'm gonna be trying out an LED in here in a few days. That's how you do it.